Alright guys, so we have cauliflower and we're going to look after it with white rice. Usually I use my hand to stir, but I'm using a spoon. So this was recently washed with lime juice and vinegar. So now I have cut up my seasoning. So we have scallion here, onion, thyme, Irish, and we have our carrot, and we have our salt here, or seasoned to the bone, or browning right here, all-purpose Maggi, and some black pepper. Don't have any you call it, don't even remember the name, but let's get into it. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tip a little salt in it. Yeah, not too much, because you don't want it to be too salt. Then we're gonna start with our season to the bone. Don't want too much as well. We have our all-purpose Maggi. Oh, I don't have any garlic. That's what I was gonna tell you guys. So now we're going to black pepper. And I'm gonna put a different seasoning, all-purpose as well. Or is it paprika? I don't remember. Now we're gonna put on our seasoning right here. So guys, I got a piece of pepper and a piece of garlic. So I'm gonna add the seasoning on to our kidney. Alright guys. So first I'm gonna put in my scallion. Then my onion. Putting in my pepper. Garlic. Thyme. And our Irish is on top. Along with the carrot. So I put all of the seeds for the pepper because it's a little piece and you need it to be very, very spicy. So we're gonna start. Before we start, I'm gonna add a little browning. Ooh, seems like a lot. And we're gonna stir. I said usually I'd use my hands, but I don't want my hands to get dirty. And also I have my nails, so you know. Wow. Color is coming in. So yeah. Look at this beauty right here. My gosh. So now guys, we're gonna let the seasoning soak in for a minute or two. So you know you have to make it marinate in order for it to be tasty. So we're gonna let it marinate in there. Okay, so alright guys, I'm now going to wash my rice. Alright guys, so I just set on my rice. Now I'm going to season it. I wash my rice 4 times, guys. I'm going to add scallion, thyme, a little oil, and butter. So when it is boiling, all of these will be soaked in there. So now guys, I'm going to cover my pot, adding salt, this amount of salt. Could we forget salt? Now I'm going over to the meat. So now guys, the water has now dried out of the pot. I'm going to tip a little oil just to grease it. Not a lot of oil. Just want to grease the pot. Because the kidney springs its own water. So now I'm about to put in my kidney. Slowly and everything. Spreading it out. Stirring it to make sure it doesn't reach the bottom of the pot. And we're gonna cover it and let it spring its own water. My rice has started to bubble, so I'm gonna stir in my season. And then I'm gonna leave it to do what it should. So now guys, look at my rice. Started to dry down, so I'm gonna turn on the stove. Even though I am Ooh, let's check her kidney. Ooh, isn't that lovely? Look at this. All we need now is we're gonna add some water to this. Not a lot. Okay, so I'm adding from this side because we have the browning. See if it wants more water. You're gonna need just a little bit more because we don't want to drown it. So basically I'm gonna just throw it all the way in my pot. So we're stirring it. So this is gonna cook the kidney and it's gonna dry down with the gravy. And on my rice, ooh, so let us steam. So you know you have to do it from the bottom come up. Mind me guys. I'm going to taste it to see if I need any more water. So it needed a little bit more. Ignore the rice came off of my fork. Some of them are still tough. Okay guys, about to stir my pot. Wow, check out this one. But it's still, the bottom of it is still itchy. Cut this baby. So for the gravies. Alright, I'm just gonna give this a few more minutes before I turn it off. Along with the rice. Okay guys, I'm gonna test the rice again. And then I'm gonna turn off the stove. So guys, I'm about to make some Kool-Aid. Yeah. Turning some ice water. Not gonna show you guys this. Juice is finished. Okay guys. So I'm about to turn off the stove. Look at this. Alright guys, this is how my dish looks. You have now reached the end of my video. Please like, comment and subscribe if you're new. Please don't forget to click the notification bell and tell me if you like this video and if you'd like to see more videos like this. Bye!